Hello students and welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how to calculate idle time for machines and for systems while solving n jobs 3 machine problem. This is the given question. Find the sequence that minimize the total elapsed time required to complete the following jobs on 3 machines A, B and C in the order ABC. Also find idle time for machine A, idle time for machine B, idle time for machine C, and the fourth one is idle time for system. This is the given table. To know how to get the sequence for this numerical, visit the link in I button. Now moving ahead. This is the sequence which we have got. This is the standard table to find idle time and elapsed time. Now let's calculate in and out time for machine A. In time for the first job on machine A is 0. Out time will be in time plus processing time. Here processing time for job 3 on machine A is 5. Hence the out time will be 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 hours. The out time of job 3 will be the in time for job 4, that is 5. Out time is 5 plus 6, that is the processing time, is equal to 11. Next for job 2, in time will be 11 and out time will be 11 plus processing time, that is 10, which is equal to 21. Now this 21 will be the in time for job 5 and 21 plus 12, that is equal to 33, is the out time. And lastly for job 1, in time is 33 and out time is 33 plus 7, which is equal to 40. Now here you can observe that as soon as previous job work is done, next job enters. Hence the idle time is 0. Now moving towards machine B. In time for the job 3 on machine B is out time of job 3 from machine A. The out time is in time plus processing time, that is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now for in time of job 4, compare between 6 and 11. That is machine B should be free as well as job 4 should be free. So the bigger number is 11. Hence the in time for job 4 on machine B is 11. Out time is 11 plus 3, which is equal to 14. Similarly compare between 14 and 21. Bigger number is 21. Out time is 21 plus 5, which is equal to 26. Again compare between 26 and 33. Bigger number is 33. So in time for job 5 on machine B is 33. Next for job 1, compare between 37 and 40. 40 is the larger number. Hence in time for job 1 on machine B is 40. Out time is 40 plus 4, which is equal to 44. Now let's calculate idle time for all jobs on machine B. When machine A is working on the first job, till then machine B will be idle. Hence job 3, which is the first job, the idle time is 5. For job 4, idle time will be 11 minus 6, that is equal to 5. For job 2, it is 21 minus 14 equal to 7. For job 5, it is 33 minus 26 equal to 7. Lastly for job 1, it is 40 minus 37 equal to 3 hours. Right? Now the same procedure is to be followed for machine C. In time for job 3 is 6. Out time is 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. For job 4, in time will be the larger number between 15 and 14. That is 15. Out time will be 15 plus 13 is equal to 28. For job 2, in time will be 28 and out time will be 28 plus 3 is equal to 39. Next for job 5, in time is 39 and out time is 39 plus 5 is equal to 44. And the last one for job 1, in time is 44 and out time is 44 plus 3 is equal to 47. Now calculating idle time for all the jobs on machine C. Job 3, that is the first job, machine C will be idle for 6 hours. And then there is no difference between the in time of the current job and out time of the previous job. Hence the idle time is 0 for rest of the jobs. Now let's see answers. Idle time for machine A is equal to 47 minus 40 is equal to 7 hours. Idle time for machine B is equal to 47 minus 44, that is 3, plus summation of all the idle times for machine B, that is 27, is equal to 30 hours. Idle time for machine C is equal to 6 hours. Idle time of the system is equal to idle time on machine A plus idle time for machine B plus idle time for machine C, which is equal to 7 plus 30 plus 6 equal to 43 hours. So students, here we have seen all the possibilities asked in the examination regarding N jobs 3 machines. Hope you enjoy learning. For more updates, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.